Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are solving the most important 3 marks questions from Arithmetic Progression for Class 10 Board Exam 2026. Watch till the end to score full marks. Let's start. Question number 1. The fourth term of an AP is 8 and the seventh term is 17. Find the AP. Given fourth term A4 is equal to 8 and the seventh term A7 is equal to 17. Solve for the common difference. Subtract the first equation from the second equation to eliminate A. A1 plus 6D minus A1 plus 3D is equal to 17 minus 8. A1 cancel. 6D minus 3D becomes 3D. 3D is equal to 9. Divide both sides by 3 so that 3D upon 3 is equal to 9 upon 3. Therefore, D is equal to 3. Solving for D gives the common difference. D is equal to 3. Solve the first term. Substitute D is equal to 3 in equation number 1. Substitute the value of D back into the first equation to find the first term. 8 is equal to A1 plus 3 into 3. This implies 8 is equal to A1 plus 9. Move 9 to the other side. Therefore, A1 is equal to 8 minus 9. This implies A1 is equal to negative 1. With the first term, A1 is equal to minus 1 and the common difference D is equal to 3. The arithmetic progression is formed by adding the common difference to the preceding terms. The arithmetic progression is minus 1, 2, 5, 8, 11 and so on. Question number 2. The sum of first 10 terms of an AP is 155 and its first term is 5. Find the 10th term. The sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic progression can be calculated using the formula Sn is equal to n upon 2 a1 plus an, where a1 is the first term and an is the nth term. S10 is equal to 10 upon 2 a1 plus a10. Given S10 is equal to 155 and a1 is equal to 5 and n is equal to 10. Formula so that 155 is equal to 10 upon 2. 10 is divisible by 2. How many times? 5 times. 5 plus a 10. Divide both sides by 5 so that 155 upon 5 is equal to 5 upon 5 into 5 plus a 10. 155 divisible by 5. How many times? 31 times is equal to 5 plus a 10. To find a10, we isolate it by subtracting 5 from 31. a10 is equal to 31 minus 5 is equal to 26. Question number 3. Find the sum of all natural numbers between 100 and 200 which are divisible by 7. Find the first term greater than equal to 100 divisible by 7. Compute 100 divided by 7. 100 divided by 7, we get 14 as a quotient. Multiply 14 sevens are. 14 sevens are how much? 98. 98 is less than 100. So we have to add 7. When we add 98 plus 7, we'll get 105. So that first term A1 is equal to 105. Find the last term less than equal to 200 divisible by 7. Compute 200 divided by 7. When we divide 200 by 7, we get 28 as a quotient. Now 28 sevens are 196. 196 is less than from 200. So that last term an is equal to 196 and difference is equal to 7. We use the formula for the nth term of an arithmetic progression, which is an is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 into d. We have 196 is equal to 105 plus n minus 1 into 7. Move 105 to the other side, so that 196 minus 105 is equal to 7 into n minus 1. Subtract 105. Now it's equal to the 91. 91 is equal to 7 into n minus 1. Divide both sides by 7. So that 13 is equal to n minus 1. So let n. Move 1 to the other side. Therefore, n is equal to 13 plus 1. 13 plus 1 becomes 14. Therefore, n is equal to 14th term. Now, calculate the sum. The sum of an arithmetic series is calculating using the formula Sn is equal to n upon 2 a1 plus an. Substituting the value n is equal to 14, a1 is equal to 105 and an is equal to 196. S14 is equal to 14 upon 2, 105 plus 196. Add these two numbers so that it's equal to 301. 14 is divisible by 2 how many times? 7 times. Add these two numbers. So we'll get 2107. S14 is equal to 2107. Question number 4. In an AP, the 9th term is 0 and the 13th term is 12. Find the AP. Set up equation for the 9th and 13th term. 9th term a9 is equal to a1 plus 9 minus 1 into d. Substitute the value of a9, which is 0, is equal to a1 plus 8d. Equation number 1. 13th term a13 is equal to a1 plus 13 minus 1 into d. Substitute the value of a13, which is 12, is equal to a1 plus 12d. Equation number 2. Subtracting equation 1 from equation 2, so we get a1 plus 12d minus, inside the bracket write down a1 plus 8d is equal to 12 minus 0. This implies a1 plus 12d open bracket minus a1 plus minus 8d is equal to 12. Plus a1 minus a1 cancel. 12d minus 8d becomes 4d is equal to 12. Solve for d. Divide both sides by 4. 4d upon 4 is equal to 12 upon 4. Therefore, d is equal to 3. Substitute the value of d is equal to 3 into equation number 1. a1 plus 8d is equal to 0. a1 plus 8 into 3 is equal to 0. This implies a1 plus 8 3s are 24 is equal to 0. Isolate a so that A1 is equal to minus 24. The first term A1 is equal to minus 24 and the common difference D is equal to 3. Therefore, the AP is minus 21 minus 18 minus 15 and so on. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and share, comment which chapter you want next, subscribe for more class 10 board exam 2026 important questions. See you in the next video.